And you're going to turn it into this plane, just you're going to make a couple extra cuts and folds with my scissors. And then there's also one last plane that I'd like to show you. Not this one. I made another sheet of paper. Could you go grab it?
No. But we can pause the movie.
Yeah. And then you start out like this. And so you want really big wings or else it won't work. And then you'll have these two things here and a little fold right there. And you're going to want to stick your scissors in there and cut on both sides. And then when you do that, then you want to pinch these like that and pinch them up. So the front view would look like that, back, side, top, bottom. And then you push them back down so it looks back like this again. And then you want to fold up the sides of the wings until they reach the point of right there. You flip it over, do the same on the opposite side. Unfold it again. And now comes the fancy cutting. We're going to cut it at an angle so the handles of your scissors are pointing backwards. And then you're going to snip off the back part like this, so it should look like that. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So it looks like this. And then on these, what you're going to do is you want to make one cut, two cuts, and then you'll have this little tablet right here. You want to fold that down and cut it off. The only reason you fold it down is because it makes it easier to cut off. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And as I said before, you want to angle the handle of your scissors downward so you have the angle when you cut. So it should look like this. And then you're going to do that same kind of cut on the very back of the two tail fins, like this. And then if it works out right, like this, you should have a little bubble, and you want to push down on that so it looks like this. I kind of messed up on the other wing because it's supposed to be more like that, and I would push down on it, but since I messed up, that won't work. And then you go like this, and when you go like that, those should be kind of sharp. And then you're going to go to the back of the body. You open it up, and then you push in on it, like this, and then you squeeze it, so it ends up like this. And then if you want, you can go like that and cut just halfway down the nose on the top, and then fold down the two sides, and then once you've done that, you've got a pretty good paper airplane. It doesn't really matter. They both look, well, not look the same, but fly the same. This one is the original kind, and if I see, you just want to do...
Does this plane have like a name, like a model number or a style number, or...
No.
No.
Because I just invented it just now.
Just now?
Well, not just now, but, like, today. I invented it today.
Wow. So you can, like, kind of come up with ideas and customize things just like that?
Yeah. It's quite simple, actually, once you get the hang of it.
Mm-hmm.
And then here's this plane that I just built. And here's how it flies. It's pretty good. The only reason it didn't work out so well is because it hit our little chandelier, fake plastic chandelier thingy.
I like our chandelier.
And then, now that I've made this, I want to show you one last plane, which is fairly simple. I'd say it's a medium plane, like this one. And then here's all the planes I've made so far. And then I'll be right back because I need to go get another sheet of paper, because at first I was only planning to make these 3. So now I need to go back and
pause. He'll pause.
Get another sheet of paper.
He'll pause.
Be right back.
I wish he'd quit wasting paper.
Sorry, that will be two planes. They're very similar. Just one has upward facing and downward facing. And this plane, I also made today at recess at school. And,
You took paper out into the playground?
oh yeah, you're allowed. And, when you've done this, oops, sorry.
What?
Then, to make this plane, it's fairly simple. Wait, shoot. I'm forgetting how to do it. I am? Wait, what? One sec. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was just forgetting how to make it. It's fairly simple. It's same first steps again. Well, actually, no.
What skills do you think somebody needs to be a good paper airplane maker? Like, what kind of qualities make somebody good at making them?
You want to know how a real, actual plane works. How the different air currents and the flaps. If you fold the flap up, it will make it go down. If you fold the flap down, it will make it go up. So you want to know how a real plane works, and like, and then basically you can design any kind of plane you want after you know how a real plane works, and you want to know, I guess you could say, some physics. And then this
Physics in quotes?
kid physics,
Kid physics, that's right.
which is like easy physics for kids. And then what I just did was I folded the paper in half, like that. I folded it in half, so it looks like this. And then I took one side and folded it down to the bottom, and copied that on the other side. And then you're going to find the top with two creases right there. Unfold that. Fold this.